Hello everyone. So today we have question of Poisson distribution. So as per available data from actuaries of general insurance company, on an average one house in 1000 in a certain district has a fire during the year. So first we will focus on this first line only. So in this first line we have one house out of 1000 getting fire. This means this is probability of getting fire. So this is probability of getting fire. So this equals to P, and P equals to one house out of 1000 houses. Now in second line, if there are 2000 houses in a district, so there are 2000 houses, so N equals to 2000. And now what is the probability of getting fire? Exactly 5 houses. So your objective is to find probability of R equals to 5 houses getting fire. And now first we will see why we are using this Poisson distribution. So this probability is 0.01, which is very less. And other than this probability of getting fire, the probability of not getting fire, that is rest 999 houses, save houses, and divided by 1000. So this probability of not getting fire is 0.999. So there is big difference between these two probability. First is this, second is this. So that's why in that situation we will apply Poisson distribution. Now first we will see formula for probability. So formula for probability of Poisson distribution, that is PR equals to e raised to the power minus m raised to the power r divided by factorial r. So first thing, calculation of m. So this m is mean of this distribution. So mean m equals to capital N multiplied by p. So for this data, n equals to 2000 and p equals to 1 upon 1000, and on multiplying this you will get m equals to 2. Now the second term, this e raised to the power minus m. So for this e raised to the power minus m, this is e raised to the power minus m, and m equals to 2, so this can be written as e raised to the power minus 2, and this e raised to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 upon e square. So just like value of pi is 3.14, the value of e, exponential constant, that is 2.718, and then we will put square on this, and on solving this you will get 0.135. So now your objective is to find probability for r equals to 5 using this formula of binomial probability. So using this formula, the required probability PR for 5 is, we will apply this same formula, e raised to the power minus m. This means e raised to the power minus 2, and this multiplied by m raised to the power r. So m equals to 2, for this case r equals to 5, and this divided by factorial r. So for this case factorial 5. So for this case, this e raised to the power minus 2 is this 0.135. So this is 0.135, and this quantity multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5. So 2 raised to the power 5 means 32, and this quantity divided by factorial 5, this equals to 120. So on solving this you will get 0.03. We can calculate this using calculator. So this is 0.135 multiplied by 32, and this divided by 120. So this is 0.036. So this is the probability for exactly 5 houses getting fire, P5. So this is the answer. So please, I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel, Garit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.